This is Brianna reporting for Kids First. Today I'm reviewing the film Thunderstruck, starring NBA superstar Kevin Durant. This film is very funny and inspirational. You'll love it. Brian Newell, played by Taylor Gray, is horrible at basketball, but he really likes NBA superstar Kevin Durant, who plays himself. One night at a basketball game, Brian finally gets the chance to meet the superstar himself, but supposedly steals Kevin's talents. Kevin's agent, Alan Garrett, played by Brandon T. Jackson, goes great lengths to get Kevin's talent back. I really like this film mainly because I really like basketball. I also like the little funny moments in this film. My favorite scene is when his agent tries to get Kevin his talents back. He goes from holding a ball together and saying words to a stun gun. It's really funny. One message I found in this film is that you cannot get talent. You have to earn it by hard work. I recommend this film for ages 7 to 18. It's also great for people who love basketball. I give this film 4 out of 5 stars because it's very funny, has a great message, and I think the whole family will love it. Thunderstruck bounces into theaters on the 24th of August, so go get your KD jersey and check it out. This is Brianna reporting for Kids First.